The share price discount to NAV continues to be too wide, broadly saying. We believe it's severely undervaluing a portfolio with a proven track record. We've committed to doing everything possible to shrink that discount, and that's what we'll continue to do.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Foresight Solar Fund Manager, Ross Driver. Ross, very good to speak with you. You published your results for the 6 months to the 30th of June 2025. What were the highlights?
Good to be with you as always, Stephen, as well. If we run through the results to 30th of June of this year, I'd say our results were a validation of the positive first half of the year. There was a strong performance there, highlights the quality of the operational portfolio and the expertise of the team, and it reinforces our resilient cash position. The share buyback that the fund's been continuing added to value for shareholders. Investors have asked for capital returns, and we've continued to deliver on that. We're also excited about our proprietary development pipeline in Spain. We were recently awarded capacity for our battery storage projects, and Renewable, one of our solar sites, is expected to reach ready-to-build status in the coming months as well.
Ross, does strong operational performance directly translate to an improved cash position?
Well, in short, it should do, yes. Wholesale power prices in the UK have averaged roughly around £85 a megawatt hour in the first half of the year. You allied that with our proactive hedging approach, and we've managed to sell electricity at prices that allow us to more than meet the target for dividend payments. And that's why the board has been able to reiterate its 1.3 times dividend cover target for the year. And it's from that position of strength that the directors have also decided to allocate up to a further 10 million more to the buyback programme. So this is an extension of what we've had in place all the way back to May 2023 now. Our buyback programme is one of the largest in the sector relative to NAV, and we've been consistent with it throughout. And any additional free cash will be prioritised according to our capital allocation strategy, which balances returning capital to shareholders, paying down debt, and reinvesting in our development opportunities.
So, Ross, your income and growth strategy means the operational portfolio generates the cash for your dividends, while your development pipeline aims to deliver future growth.
It's exactly that, Stephen, yeah. The operational portfolio will continue to deliver the cash to pay the dividend. We've raised our dividend every year since 2013, never missed a payment on that. And on the back of the performance of our portfolio, in combination with our proactive hedging strategy. The development pipeline offers the opportunity for higher returns over time and the optionality to sell assets at a profit or to invest to run them and generate cash in the longer term. If you take Renewable as an example of that, the 55 megawatt solar project's already received its environmental approvals. It's awaiting its construction permit. Once those documents are secured, the project will effectively be ready to build. It's similar to in the same way that a plot of land increases in value once it receives planning permission, and Renewable's value is likely to rise at that point. The board will then have the option to either sell it to crystallise those capital gains or commit to build it out. If we build it, there's then an opportunity to sell it at a profit or to operate it once the construction is complete.
Ross, what's next for Foresight Solar?
What's next in terms of that? The share price discount to NAV continues to be too wide, broadly saying. We believe it's severely undervaluing a portfolio with a proven track record. We've committed to doing everything possible to shrink that discount, and that's what we'll continue to do. We're driving our divestment process forward to unlock cash that can be distributed back to shareholders, used to pay down debt, and potentially reinvested to improve returns. The board has said it's committed to delivering the best outcome for shareholders and will continue to analyse the opportunities available to do that.
Well, Ross, I hope you'll continue to keep us posted on your progress. Thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Thank you, Sue.
Ross Driver, Fund Manager at Foresight Solar Fund.